Today's topic is how to do bottleneck analysis of a line. There are various machines, machine A, machine B, machine C, machine D, machine E. Which machine is the bottleneck? How do I come to know? Okay, very simple, whether I'll be able to meet customer demand or not. Yeah? Okay, how do I do that? For that, there's very simple mathematical calculation, very basic mathematical calculation which we can do. Okay, first thing for that, I'll have to calculate takt time. Then I'll find out cycle time. First, look at this slide. What is takt time? What is takt time? Takt time is daily operating time in seconds divided by quantity required by the customer. That is takt time. This word takt has come from a German word. Takt means work. Okay, fair enough. Now, by this time, takt word is quite common. Everybody understands. So, takt time, daily operating time in seconds divided by customer demand. Then, cycle time. What is that? Time taken by an operator or a machine to go through all the elements of work before repeating it. Yeah? All the work elements. Operation A, B, C, D, blah, blah, in 1 second, whatever make is cycle time. Then, lead time. Of course, we are not going to use it now, but still, just for your info. Lead time, what is that? Time taken by one piece from station 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ultimately to station number 10. All the station it covers, from entry to exit, that time is taken as lead time. Now look at this graphical representation. Cycle time, you can see, time taken by one piece to go through all the work elements. Could be operator, could be machine cycle time. Okay, that's a cycle time. Then, out of that, part of his value added time and part of his non-value added time as shown in this figure. Okay, simple. Now sir, coming to lead time, time taken by all the, time taken the piece to go through all the operations, that's a lead time. Simple, yeah. Now, we know what is cycle time, it's in seconds. We know what is the takt time. Now, look at this slide. There are 5 steps. Machine A, machine B, machine C, D and E. Look at this line, takt time is 50 seconds. Individual cycle time is in the shape of bars. Bar graph is there. Operation C, cycle time is higher. Yeah? It's 55 seconds. It's crossing the takt time. So, operation C is my bottleneck operation. That means I cannot meet customer's demand. That is my bottleneck. What do I do? क्या करूँ अब? That's a bottleneck. I'll not be able to meet the customer demand. Okay. Can I work extra hours for this machine? Accumulate some inventory? That's option 1. My management doesn't permit me. Yeah? Then what do I do? Management said, okay, gentlemen, do one thing. Buy one more machine, install it parallelly somewhere. Okay, that's another option. Or maybe on some Sunday, I accumulate extra inventory. There are multiple options. I'll consult my management, I'll take the approval and I'll act accordingly. But one thing is there, my bottleneck has been identified. It's a very simple mathematical calculation. Doesn't need great application of mind. Very simple, very basic. Yeah. Please find out your bottleneck operation. Thank you very much.